In the explanation of space and time and so forth, and the question about the universe, where does the theory of the Big Bang come into Islam, if anywhere? As far as the construction of the universe and the fact that Allah Ta'ala created the heavens and earth in 7 days, and the fact that time is relative and different from humans' point of view versus God's.
Well, the person to answer this question is Imam Hamza, and I think you'll like his answer very much.
Well, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. The first thing is that Imam al-Ghazali, somebody wrote him a letter and asked him, where is Allah? And he wrote a letter back telling him, you don't even know where you are. And I don't understand why you're asking me where God is. So in terms of our coordinates in the universe, we don't have a clue, because we don't even have a map of the universe. And so it's the height of arrogance to attempt to understand Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in any other than that we negate any likeness to the creation. Having said that, the time-space Big Bang idea, I mean, the Quran, I think, gives the most brilliant. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, مَا أَشْهَدْتُكُمْ خَلْقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. You know, we didn't show you the creation of the heavens and earth. We didn't even show you your own creation. And that's, again, bringing it back home. You know, you don't even know very much about yourself. I mean, most people don't know how it is they can drink something and then a few hours later they urinate it out. I mean, they don't even understand that process of what's happening. So the idea, I mean, the Big Bang is interesting, but it's still, the Big Bang is not ex nihilo, which is what we believe. The Big Bang does not say that this all came out of nothing. They don't know what existed at the moment of the Big Bang. I mean, they think it was all this condensed matter. It was a point, and a point is a very mysterious geometrical concept. Point is one of the most mysterious concepts we have. So they don't really know what it was, and that's what Allah says. You weren't there. You didn't see it. You didn't witness it. But we know that Allah said, kun fayakun, be and it is. And that's all. And like the Qawm say, you know, نحن بين الكاف والنون. We're between the kaf and the noon. You know, kun. Well, yeah, there's a whole correlation between the stages of the Big Bang. They do have 6 stages in it, which is similar to our understanding in the Quran of the 6 stages of creation. And that is the dominant theory. But I would like to say I am very wary of connecting anything in the Quran with scientific knowledge. And the reason is, one of the things that, I mean, Socrates had the last word on science. He said, how can you consider something knowledge that's always changing? Because the whole point of knowledge is either it's true and absolute or it's not. And the nature of science is that it is always changing. And if you don't believe that, you haven't studied the history of science. Because people in pre-modern times believed in their cosmologies and their worldviews as strongly or more strongly than we believe in ours. They used to burn people at the stake if you didn't accept it. Here they'll just kick you out of the university.